making milkshakes over here. So like, time to make some milkshakes. Ingredients: cucumber, peanut butter, avocado, some bananas and coconut, yogurt, ice cream, and milk. Here we are making with my sister. Small for the fans. Yeah, let's go. It's a nice day outside, you know. Oh, actually crashing, so we gotta use maybe a different blender. Let's see how that one goes.
This works.
We did manage with a red blender. Yeah. Now adding some cucumber. Okay, so saying goodbye to this one. Didn't really do the job. But yeah, like for a smoothie. Now we add some mango.
Avocado. I don't know if it's okay, but it should be okay.
Yeah. So what do you call this smoothie?
This one then has the name.
Yes, guys. So if this video hits 100 likes, we name it
Tropical smoothie.
smoothie.
It almost has other fruits in it.
Yeah.
So the milk we're using is butterscotch yogurt, and then we're using just normal milk from ShopRite.
Yeah, so guys, make sure you get your normal milk from ShopRite. Shout out to ShopRite for the best milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a bit more milk.
Yeah.
It's too thick. I like it thick, yes, but then
Not too thick, you know. Has to be smooth.
if you want, you can add what do you call this again? Some.
Hey, Muchas join stream. Say hi to the fans. She's a bit upset with me.
Say hi to the fans.
Wow. Make sure to check out her TikTok. She's almost on 1 million views.
So we didn't even need a lot of ingredients. Like you notice, we only used one banana, one
Yeah.
avocado. Okay. I'm tempted to add the rest of the mango, but first, let's check how it tastes like.
Yeah.
At this point, we're gonna use the glass cups now.
There. Over there. These are our,
Okay.
standards. And if you want premium, they're over there.
Hey, why is it broken?
Yeah, get the red one. What about the ice cream?
Oh, I forgot about the ice cream. Yeah.
She forgot about the ice cream, guys. The ice cream.
Yes.
Subscribe if you want the ice cream.
Go, go. So the ice cream has melted. No need to even this big freezer also. So this is strawberry.
Strawberry.
Just going to blend a bit of it and take it back in
The freezer
yeah.
to its natural habitat.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay. Yeah.
Mami, ano masata?
It's a good sign, no? Means that it's good. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, so let me remove some.
Should give mom to taste. Yeah. Let's get the reaction. Yes, guys. Kitchen towels. Always have kitchen towels.
Okay, I think this is enough.
Yeah. That's good. Wow. Wow. This is so good. Still there. Still there. Come on, how you like it?
I love it.
Out of
We
10?
didn't even add any preservative, any sweetener.
Out of 10?
And one who made the 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
What can we put? Is there a jar?
Yeah.
Where?
The glass one.
But there's no plastic. Huh?
Why use plastic? Yeah, but there is plastic. This one. This one is here.
Let's put some glass in there.
Yeah. Let's get the golden.
This one is okay.
Woo. This side of the kitchen, Put the flies, Get this one. There you have it. The unnamed smoothie.
This is very in the fridge to cook as we wait to drink.
Yeah.
This is how I did for this, no?
What? Then the rest, we give it to mom to taste. Get a reaction. Can't wait for the smoothies. Like and subscribe for more great content. Now I gotta get everyone's reaction. What do you think of it, mom? Out of 10.
Out of
Yeah.
18.
Huh? 18?
9.
9 out of 10? So there you have it, guys. 9 out of 10 from mom.